Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and you are enjoying the holidays very well. But with the enjoyment, you have to do study as well. So, I am the teacher of prep class. My name is Susan Bano. I am here to teach you social study. Today, our topic is sensing our world. Before starting this lesson, you have to sing a rhyme with me. Are you ready, all of you? Do you know the five senses? Five senses, five senses. Do you know the five senses? We use it in every day. Sight, smell, taste, hear and touch, hear and touch, hear and touch. Sight, smell, taste, hear and touch. We use it in every day. Hope you guess the topic. Today we will learn about five senses. Allah Ta'ala has given us five senses. We have to say Alhamdulillah because He has blessed us with that five senses. Do you know there are many people who have the eyes but they can't see, who have the ears but they can't listen, they have the hands but they can't move. So these are the blessing of Allah on us that we have all these five senses. So we will learn about it. The first sense, you can see which organ is here? Hands. With the hand, what we can do? We can touch. We can feel. We can touch anything and we can feel that what is hard, what is soft, and what is hot and what is cold. Then come towards the next picture, that is nose. With the help of nose, we can smell. We can smell good and we can smell bad. Over here, you can see dustbin is here. Is that having a good smell? No, it's having a bad smell. Now come towards the next picture, that is tongue. With the help of tongue, we can taste. We can taste different flavor. For example, our tongue can taste salty flavor, sour flavor and the sweet flavor, and with it bitter taste also. So over here strawberry is here. Our tongue can taste it. And it's tasted sometimes sour and sometimes sweet also. Okay, come towards the next picture. You can see which organ is here. These are the ears. With the help of our ears, we can hear different sounds. Over here, a whistle is here. We can listen the whistle sound. And you know, there are different type of sound. Some sounds are soft, some are loud, and some are shrill. Do you know what's mean by shrill sound? Shrill sound mean a very loud sound, just like drum or just like a horn of the truck and the bus. These sounds are called the shrill sound. Okay, come towards the eyes. That's our very beautiful sense. You can see over here, with the help of eyes, we can see each and everything. We can see the beauty of the nature with our eyes. So this is all about the five senses. Now move towards the book. We have to read the book. Okay, student, this is page number 9. You have to open this page. Sensing our world. As I have already told you about touch, smell, hear, sight and taste. Now you have to learn the answer of the given questions. What is the first question? Look here. Name the five senses. Sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. Come towards the next question. Name the types of smell. There are two types of smell. Good smell and bad smell. Good smell and bad smell. Okay, come towards the question number 3. What taste can our tongue taste? Our tongue can taste sweet, salty and sour. You know what is having a sour taste? Lemon. Lemon is having a sour taste. And sweet. Mango is sweet. Salty. The food that we eat that are salty, just like pizza or rice, these are salty food. Okay, come towards the next question. What is the taste of a lemon? A lemon tastes sour. A lemon tastes sour. Okay, the next question. What are the types of sound? Loud, soft and shrill. as I have already told you about the shrill sound. Shrill sound means very loud sound. Okay, come towards the next question. What type of sound does a drum make? Drum make a loud sound. Then the next question, what type of touch can we feel? Hot, cold, soft, hard, rough and smooth. Just like this book, if you will touch it, so you will come to know that that is smooth. It was about the sensing our world. Now we have to do the activity. Come towards the activity page. Okay students, now we have to do this activity page. It's about seeing our world or sensing our world. So first of all, we have to read the statement. Match the picture that relates best to each sense. You can see there are some organs and there are few things we have to think about it. We have to observe it, then we have to match it. Over here, this is the picture of a trumpet. It creates a sound. So, how can we listen to the sound? With the help of tongue? No. With the help of ear? Yes. With the help of ear, we can listen to the sound. So, we have to match it. Then, the next picture. A scene is here. A beautiful nature scene is here. So, how can we see this? Obviously, we can see with the help of our eyes. So we have to match it with the eyes. You have to use the scale so you can easily match it. Okay, come towards the next picture. It's about flower. You can see over here, flower. When you smell it, how it smells? It has a very good smell. So how can we smell? With the help of tongue? No. With the help of our hand? No. We can smell with the help of our nose. So you have to match it with the nose. Okay, over here, a pin is here. How can you feel it? It's too sharp and you have to stay away from it. So we can feel it with the hands. You have to match it with the hand. Okay, the last one. There is a pizza slice. You love to eat it. And how can you enjoy to eat? Obviously with your tongue. You have to match it with the tongue. Okay, hope you liked and you learned about 5 senses. Then you have to complete this page very nicely. See you to the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.